Welcome to the water flea simulation. In this simulation, you'll test various drugs in different dosages to study their effects on the heart rate of a water flea. To start your investigation, you'll first need to find the normal heart rate of the water flea. The water flea's heart is the pulsing round object located near its back. You can use the slider to magnify the heart for easier viewing. You can find the heart rate in two ways, either by using a stopwatch and simply counting the number of heartbeats in 1 minute, or by using the on-screen counter. To use this counter, click the Start button and press the Click Me button each time the heart beats. After a few seconds, click the Stop button and the heart rate in beats per minute will be displayed at the bottom of the screen. After you determine the normal heart rate of the water flea, begin testing various drugs and dosages on the water flea. For instance, to test alcohol's effect, click on the alcohol button and then select either single or double dose. Again, count the water flea's heart rate as you did before. Make sure to click the Clear button before testing a different drug. The water flea first presented on screen is always a female. You can change to a male flea by clicking the Male button under Gender. Make sure to test the various drugs on both males and females. You can also study how having a full or empty stomach affects how various drugs change the water flea's heart rate. The water flea always opens the simulation in the unfed state. To study how a full stomach affects drug effects, click the Fed button under Food. Count the water flea's heart rate in the same manner you did while in other parts of the simulation.